Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here, bearish movement, market went back up to the previous resistance level. And this is something that could be quite interesting for traders because this could be a potential what we call a reversal opportunity. Let's look closer if there is. And down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. Market came down, previous support. Depends how you're reading it. You can see over here a break and close below this level of support. However, with that said, it doesn't change the trend. We need another retracement and break and close below for it to be bearish, and that is really why you need to have a strong fundamental before even you look into trading strategies and stuff like that, correct? Because if you don't know, you're uncertain if the trend is a bearish trend, bullish trend, a strong trend, a weak trend, then you're in trouble. Okay. To the 1-hour chart, what we see over here, just right before Friday close, a strong bearish movement, as you can see, that's happening here. So trading analysis could be identified with multiple time frame for the more advanced traders or complex thinking traders, and it could be treated as a single time frame. So if you're confused, this is bullish or is bearish, what should I do? Just focus on the time frame you're trading in a single time frame, that's fine, and just focusing on that trend, whether it's a bullish or bearish setup. All right, you can scan this QR code that will bring you to our website, where you can start to chat with us on Telegram and share with us your view about trading in both Mandarin and English version is fine. And scroll down further, I have a free gift for you. If you're new to trading, you want to learn but don't know how, well, there is a free training over here for you. And this trading course will help you to get started without any fee. You are able to learn some trading strategy that can use right away. I would recommend you to test it out in the demo account before going live. And of course, if you want to be our community, I have to make sure you're the good fit before we can accept you. All right, so while waiting for our response, you can go through this free content and drop me a note while waiting. Scroll down further, what you can see is our recent trades on Wednesday. Even we do not have a mid-week market analysis, I did share trading ideas in the public group, and of course to my students I give the exact entry stops and targets. And while it hit the first target 55 pips, sadly it didn't hit our second target, and we got stopped out with 2 pips of profits nevertheless. With that said, you are looking at $570 worth of trading per lot if you have traded these, and of course only if you agree to these trading ideas at the moment when you engage it. Alright, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. And what you can see is a potential bearish sharp pattern. It's a bit too early to say, but I just want to give you a heads up. And some of you are creative traders and you're experienced at the same time, the fundamental, the rules. I'm waiting to short this bearish sharp pattern at 1.2805. Alright, so head down to the 4-hour chart. I got nothing much over here. And 1-hour chart, something that is interesting, which is waiting for retest at 1.2026, and there is because it could also probably give me a potential head and shoulder formation. So for those who have the eye to see it, this is the level that I'm looking at. There is another pair I remember have a very similar setup and in the same time frame, and this is where I'm going to send an alert. I'll keep it as excuse me, only once, okay, in this case, because I might want to do some combo on it. And over here I can ask myself if this is a head and shoulder for me. Alright, question mark means I need further confirmation. Alright, so head and shoulder over here, first shoulder, head, and second shoulder. Let's see where it ends. And going to a lower time frame, it does help me to catch a better point and sometimes even a retest hint. Alright, so that's pretty much I have for you today. So if you are progressing, or you're progressing as a trader to look for, let's say, to combine different time frame to put up strategies and stuff like that, drop me a note on that. We'll see if you're a good fit. And of course, if you're new as a trader, so you want to learn and start to learn from the right thing and right stuff, well, drop me a note as well. We'll see if you are a good fit before we accept you. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward very soon to see you in our community. Until then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care.